but said, I am one of you. I am one of you. I have heard you talk about myself. I have come just like you from the working class. And sometimes the working class will behind the door. I understand what it is. Because I've been there, done that. I've been there with my family, with my parents.